Okay. So hello and welcome live at the Hannover Messe. How did you get to work today? By train, by bus or by car? The colleague here next to me definitely got here by the electric car because Dirk Vogel is one of our e-mobility specialists. Dirk, the topic of e-mobility is growing worldwide, so all the infrastructure is also growing. What challenges does this bring for the operators of charging parks?
Now, the one challenge is the connected power, the available connected power for these charging plazas. So we have to look on it.
Okay. Are there any other challenges as well?
The billing system, the integration, so everybody has to pay this charge process.
Yeah. Okay. So many challenges are ahead. How does Phoenix Contact support the operators of charging parks with these problems?
Yeah, for these kind of applications, we have developed a specific software, the EV charging suite.
Okay.
So with this software, we are able to control the charge process, to make a load balancing on the charging plaza and an integration in the billing system.
Cool. So the software knows exactly how much energy is needed, how much energy is available, and then divides it properly. To what extent does this also help for the availability of the charging park?
Yeah, this is a safe working of the charging plaza, so we can work until the limit of the connected power and and can stop before the fuses or circuit breaker switching off.
Okay, so it helps really to have more power and to be more available.
More efficiency, of course.
Yeah, okay. And I think you can also connect that to the building automation system or to the energy system of a building, right?
Yes, so we have different interfaces for that to make these kind of integrations.
Okay, so that sounds very good. Another point you already mentioned it is the issue of billing. How does the EV charging suite support that?
So for this we have an OCPP protocol implemented. OCPP means Open Charge Point Protocol. This is a standard protocol which is established in the e-mobility.
Okay, so you can connect this software to a third-party software which is responsible for the billing, and then they can communicate to each other via OCPP.
Right.
Okay, sounds really good. Can I check all this data somewhere in the software?
Yes, of course. So we have one main view for the charging poles. So with the different colors you can see what kind of state this charge pole has.
Okay, so green is available, I guess?
Yes, green is available, and the dark green one is charging.
Okay.
The orange one means this block is reserved.
Okay.
And the red one means that this charge point is in failure.
Okay, reserved sounds very good for me. So when I come to a charging pole, mostly they're already occupied. So I can reserve a charging pole for me?
Right. This is one of the functions from the OCPP billing system.
That sounds really good. And red means something is broken or there's a failure. Does the software also help me to get it into the green status again?
Yes, of course. So I can have an overview about my complete energy consumption. And then I can see on which pole we have a fault and the complete energy flow. And then I can repair it.
Cool. Are there any other overviews as well in the software?
Yes, this is one complete energy overview. And the next one is I have an overview to the charge poles. And depending on my application, I can control remote these charge poles switching on and off the charge process.
So I think that really looks very nicely and gives us a good overview. But I think the software also shows itself to the driver, not only to the operator, right?
So for the driver, we have a separated interface. We try to keep it simple. This means please make your identification with an RFID card. On this screen, I have to select my charge port where I'm in. And if my car is not connected, I get information, please connect your vehicle. And this is then the state of my charge process. So I can see everything is running fine.
That looks really good. And I think it's a software that really makes life easier for the operator and for the driver.
Right.
So thanks a lot for introducing the software to us.
You're welcome.
I hope you got a good overview of the software. If not, visit us here. Use the last day of the Hannover Messe to visit us in Hall 9. And of course, follow us on YouTube and on social media under the hashtag e-mobility or electromobility. I hope we'll see us again in the next live stream today at 5 o'clock. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Okay, so I think that's